So here was our section for Wade in the Water, which was our choreography piece.
Which was the Kathy Mattea version, if anybody's interested. And I did pitch it down about 8% for this purposes of this class, but it still works, obviously, at full tempo.
So we're hitting the little guitar plinks, holding the first 8. Then we have 1 hit, 3 hit, 5 hit. Starting in a starter step, we're just going to separate out. Monty's going to switch, doing a swoop-de-doo to right. There's a big hit coming on 5. So Monty could take it easy and delay to hit 5.
Which is all slows.
Or he could accelerate and put in another spin. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Right from here, hold 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, just a nice, cool body roll. From here, who's that yonder? She's going to stretch, look yonder for 3, 4. Dressed in red.
That was 5, 6, and 7 if you do the accelerated timing on it. Immediately back out to 8.
Windmill, okay? So this hits the Wade in the water. He rolls her out. You just settle away, girls.
And again, because I don't have a really good connection to accelerate her linear when I'm rolling her out there, I'm probably going to need to step back a little bit as the lead to help get to that connection point in time.
Basic whip.
We did an Apache because it hits nicely on the 7 for this song, and it gives us the right-to-right hand connection. We don't have to hand change to the next one. Okay? I stretch away and out so that we're hitting on 1. We have right here
2, 3, 4. She's going to hit me walk on 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Then we did a side catch, but we accelerated into it a little bit so that we could hit the stretch suspension on the 2 and the word Wade.
1, 2, and 3, 4. Out 5, 6, walked her on 7. From there, we didn't put it in, but
Which is impulse.
yep. I think with that higher pitch wave that's coming up, as Monty does a hand change, I'm going to work off of his rib cage, and I'm going to do my leg up, spin out, and finish. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Who's that yonder dressed in red?